Virtual Desk Solution, where we teach basic computer studies. If you're new or you're just getting started, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to uninstall unwanted applications. For example, if you have applications that you don't want to continue using. For example, if I want to remove this application called Uniconverter Prayer, I'll come to this search bar section, then type in control panel. It's here. Click like that, then come to this section, uninstall a program, then open. Once I open, I'll look for the application that I want to remove. For my case, for example, I want to remove, let me remove VLC because I've not been using it for quite some time. Let me install this application. To install, I will right click, then click install, or else I can come to this section and click install. Then I'll click yes, and that is to allow a process of uninstalling this application. Then click next, install. As you can see, the process has started to remove the application, then click finish. And as you can see, VLC has been removed from this section. And the same applies to all the applications that you're not interested in. You can install whatever application you don't want to have it on your computer through this method. And that brings us to the end of today's lesson. See you in the next one. Bye.